Good day, I hope you are well. Here is the BECHSTEIN piano. I thought I'll do a quick video for you so you can see it. So you can see all the beautiful waterfall keys as well. BECHSTEIN logo. Here you can see all the new tuning pins. Nice new strings, all individual graphs as well. Model A, BECHSTEIN. It's even got the original key. A beautiful lid as well. Now walking around, I was actually recording a song on this piano. That's why I have it all mic'd up, which sounds beautiful. Here is the script. It's had all these new felts put through it. This beautiful new ribbon. It's got the double lever as well for the lid. It's got this beautiful brass plating on the whole piano. Sorry, the piano is just a little bit dusty. Now, underneath, here we have the serial number. The legs. Beautiful wheels, it's all been polished and detailed. You can see how all the screws have straight markings as well. Pedals. It's beautiful. And it's got this gorgeous lid as well, which is in great condition. The whole piano has been really well preserved, and yeah, you can see the layer of dust. That happens with pianos in a house. And the sound is really nice as well. We play this piano for studio recordings. Yeah, so it's definitely got a beautiful sound, especially on the bass. I love the bass on this piano. Just sounds so sharp and bright. Anyway, there you have it. Let me know your thoughts. And you actually did also want measurements for it. So I got the tape measure here. Let me quickly measure it for you. So all the way from the back, all the way from the back, come on, all the way from the back. Just 1 second. So from the back to the front, it is 180. Pretty much 180. And the width of it, from one side to the other, is 141. 141. So yeah, 180 by 140 pretty much. And yeah, I'm happy to help you deliver this piano. It's really beautiful. All right, stay in touch.